Russell. This is the Minnesota Bearhawk channel, and welcome to episode 7 of my patrol build. Last week we got the attach angles and nose ribs attached to the spars. This week we moved on to the aileron ribs themselves, getting them drilled to the attach angles so we can attach everything together. And I started working on the hinge attach points. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I didn't get a lot of footage this time around. Just showed a few things I did here and there, and everything is kind of repetitive at this point in the build. So I'm trying not to bore you, but I'm hopefully giving you guys enough information to decide if this is something you want to build as well. Or maybe you want to go a different direction, build something else, or maybe I'll just convince you to build a kit. Kind of depends on what you are really into. Some people enjoy the process of building every single little piece. Other people want to fly earlier and will put up the cash to just buy the parts. I'm kind of in the middle. I'm spending some cash to buy some of the parts and still doing a lot of the work to build the plane. So anyway, moving on. I don't want to waste too much of y'all's time. I hope you enjoy this video. We're going to keep on rolling. I keep on working a little bit here and there, and we're getting there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. I'd really like to hear what you guys have to say. Comments are always welcome. And again, enjoy episode 7. Getting the aileron ribs lined up using the handy little laser to get all the tips lined up. What I did is I measured the length of this guy from the back side of the spar up to the tip, matched that to the other side, set up the laser to hit the same spot on both ribs, and made sure the rest of them all fell in line. So because of the doubler plates, I need to take off a little bit of the aileron rib length at the spar. So I've got this scrap piece of 063, which is the same material I used for the doubler plates. Just gonna lay that on the table. Take my rib, got the old Sharpie. And make us a line all the way around. And I'll lay this line on all 4 of the aileron ribs that go up to the doubler. That just knocks off that length so that they'll all be the same length at the tail end. And I'll just use my belt grinder to remove the material. Now what I can do is start drilling through the rib angles and cleco the ribs in place. Okay. Gonna see if I can show you what I'm looking at here. The handy part of using these 12-inch long drill bits is you can bend them like this and still drill, so you can get straight through instead of drilling at an angle. So it doesn't take much pressure to get that bend. Just that little bit, you know, thumb will hold it in place, and you can punch that hole right through. Works perfect. All right, we got one assembled. This is the basic structure of it, of course, but everything is drilled and clecoed together. And now I will get started on doing the same to the other one. Okay, so that wraps up episode 7. I am super excited to have the basic structure for those ailerons together. Just getting that first basic step out of the way, to me feels huge. Next week I'll get moving on getting all the aileron hinges built, at least the aileron side of them. So that'll be 8 plates for 4 hinges, as well as the 020 and 025 aluminum bracing material. That'll include pieces going over the entire nose rib area, as well as some triangle plates along the ribs as well. So that's the plan for next week. provided all my material comes in, because once again, I ordered too late and it doesn't show up as soon as I want it. So I'll have to make do with what I can get. I may have to move on to something else. We'll see. But hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell. Make sure you guys know when the next video is coming out. I appreciate you coming, and hope to see you again on the next one.